Reginae tries to convince Mom Toya to go see a chiropractor.
All right, y'all. So my baby is making me get out the truck. So that means I gotta go. She put me out. So I guess I'm gonna have to talk to y'all later because I just got kicked out. I've been kicked out of better places.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So whatever. Me and Rain gonna get back on live later since my oldest is booting me, giving me the boot. All right.
Oh, my back. I need to go to a chiropractor. Why you want to go to a chiropractor?
Oh, you want to go do Pilates?
No. We want to go to a chiropractor and get cracked.
I ain't getting no that. Like, no for me. Not getting cracked. It don't sound right.
Yeah.
No, I don't want. I want to go do yoga.
Want to
go meditate and do yoga?
I'm telling you, if you can, Mama, can you do a split?
No. But
when you get cracked in the chiropractor, you're going to be able to do a split.
That's all right. I know how to do a straddle. Whatever you call that. That's what I'm going to do. I don't need to know how to split. That's all right. I don't want to be a cheerleader. And I don't know how. I don't need to know how to do all of that. I don't know how to do yoga.
Mama, you really barely do. I bet you
I do yoga.
Mama, yoga is for very, like calm, zen
So
people.
what are you saying? I'm not calm? That's what you're saying?
I just said, like, your nerves get bad sometimes.
My nerves are always bad.
Okay,
because
that's
when
right.
Life
Yoga
gets a life,
is not for that.
my nerves is bad because of you, Red, Rain, Anita Johnson is at the top of the list. Casey Johnson is at the top of the list. That's why. All y'all make my nerves bad. So yes, but what I got to do with me know how to do yoga?
I think you make your own nerves bad, though, in my opinion.
Y'all just don't know. I have to deal with.
I'm just saying.
With them. Okay? Girl, what? Yeah, they're not cracking me, baby, because I'm not getting cracked. That's for sure. Robney is telling me that I need to go get cracked by the chiropractor.
Have you ever been to a chiropractor?
I have.
Yeah, wasn't it nice?
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
That shit'll break your bones.
But no, they know what they're doing now. They're
Like
gonna do like a
certified
reset
people.
alignment, and they
Nah,
you
I
gonna
don't
feel
need to get
better after.
aligned.
They gonna crack that neck.
Nah, I'm good. Y'all can have that one, buddy. I don't want to do that. I can stretch. Now, I can stretch my body out and make sure that I'm properly stretched before I exercise or before, but you're not cracking my body up. You're not cracking me and shit. I don't want to do that part of it. All right, get my water. Why you gonna drink that? Love you too, baby.
I did.
All right, y'all. They put me out,
It
so
was sitting a little bit.
crack them lamb. Nah, I'm not doing it. All right, let's see.
All right, Mama.
I love you, baby. Give me kisses. Mwah. All right, y'all. We gotta go. I can't drive and they say, look what they asked. You want to answer that question? When you get married? Don't play with my baby. All right, y'all. I gotta go. Gotta go get the little one. Gotta go get the little one. Thank you, Rob. All right. Bye. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Wait, let me see. All right. See. They kicked me out. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. I can't go forward without those. Those are my favorite. Right. Thank you, Rob. See you later. All right. Yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna start my car. I'll wait a few minutes and then I gotta go. Yeah, Rob's so sweet. He been our driver for years and he just take really good care of my baby. We love Rob. They say Rob is. He is. All right, y'all. Have a good day. You see how black people say they about to leave and still stay here? Like, do that. But I'm really about to go. I'm gonna come back later, but I'm really about to go. Peace. How you hang up?
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.